Hey, this is Cooter Pickleberry, Florida Man Cooking, and we're gonna make some compound butter. If you're asking what that is, it's a butter you can use on pretty much anything, but if you want to improve your life, your marriage, America, you're gonna use some of this stuff, especially good on steaks. So I'm gonna make a big ribeye a little bit later on, and I wanna have some compound butter to stick on top of when I'm done. So that's what we're gonna do. Thanks for joining us. So this isn't so much a recipe as it is a technique. The recipe is whatever you want to make it. So you could have hot sauce in it, you could have sesame oil, whatever flavor you want to go with in your butter. Today I'm keeping it pretty simple. It's going to be rosemary, because that's good on steak, thyme, because that's good on steak, garlic, because that's good on steak, and probably just a little bit of salt. So I start with 2 sticks of room temperature unsalted butter. That way I control the salt that goes into it. We're going to stick some black pepper in there too. So here we go. I think it's important to use fresh ingredients, so we got a little bit of fresh thyme going down. And as anybody who knows anything knows, thyme is a delicious thing to go with beef. Got a little bit of rosemary. You just want to get this stuff really small. If you make it too big, you're going to get a big chunk of it in the butter, and that kind of destroys the whole point of it. So we're just going to get this nice and tiny. Grab the microplaner and, well, not microplaning our fingertips. We're going to just get as much of that garlic as we can. Pretty easy stuff. Now's the fun part. You just grab the spoon and just start mashing it all together. You want to make sure you get a good dispersion of the ingredients inside the butter, which isn't too hard to do. Just start initially kind of chopping with it, and then after that we'll just kind of smash it down into a paste and just keep smashing and mixing until it's done. It takes about, I don't know, a couple minutes probably. But we'll probably speed some things up and edit it so you don't have to watch it. It's not the most intriguing footage you've ever seen. Throw a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper in there, and give it another quick stir or two just to spread that out inside, and you're done. All right, so it's all mixed up now. We're just gonna stick some in the middle of a piece of plastic wrap. Probably gonna get a little butter in your fingers, but ain't gonna kill you. This is 2 sticks. You can make this as big as you want with as much spice, as much seasoning, as much of whatever you want as you want. I just make 2 sticks at a time. Buttery. Once we get in the middle, I'm gonna roll this over a little bit. Just kind of start forming it a little bit, and then just grab it by the ends. Give it a couple of wiggles. And right now we got a little bit lumpier of a ball than I want, so we just shape it a little bit inside the plastic wrap. It looks pretty good. So that's going to go in the fridge. About an hour, we'll be ready to use it. You know, actually, because it's been sitting there for a minute, I'm going to go ahead and put it underneath. Well, there you go. It's a little bit of compound butter on a massive ribeye. Probably too big. A little hard to cook when they're that thick. You know, about 1.5 inches is probably ideal. 2 inches kind of pushing it. This is like 2 1/4, 2 1/2 is a big old chunk of meat, but man, it's good. I hope you try this. Let me know what you think. I'd sure like to like and subscribe when you get a chance. That'd be great. We're trying to grow this channel and it ain't working. So stick with us, man. We'll make better stuff. Thanks for joining us. Have a good night. God bless.
You bloodthirsty turd! Hey, Daddy, look at turkey.
Ain't no turkey, boy.
Yeah, there's turkey right here.
Ain't no turkey,
Yeah,
boy.
I told you it's a turkey. Look at all these turkeys.
There's one raging river.